Ever feel like your money just evaporates? You're working hard, but it seems impossible to get ahead with bills piling up, and that nagging feeling you're always just scraping by. Imagine a little stick figure completely buried under a mountain of bills and coins, looking totally overwhelmed. Now picture this. You have $100 saved, not for a big vacation, not for a fancy gadget, but just sitting there. It's your money, ready for you. That first $100 isn't just cash. It's a huge wave of confidence and control. That initial $100 is your launch pad, your proof that saving is totally possible. It's the game changer that makes you realize you can absolutely do this. This isn't some complicated investment strategy. It's about getting started. And here's the best part. You can achieve this first $100 faster and easier than you think, no matter your current income. We're going to show you a super simple, step-by-step method that anyone can follow to get that first magic $100 in your pocket. Let's meet your savings buddy, the simplest way to get that first $100. This is all about paying yourself first before you pay anyone else or spend on anything else. It's a mindset shift that puts your financial future right at the top. Here's how it works. Set up an automatic transfer of just $5 from your checking to your savings account every time you get paid. Seriously, just $5. This tiny amount is small enough that you likely won't even miss it. Think of it as a silent helper, building your money without you lifting a finger. If you get paid bi-weekly, that's $10 a month without any effort. The key is automation, making it a non-negotiable part of your financial routine. This small, consistent action builds incredible momentum. You're not trying to save a massive sum at once. You're building a habit that will pay off for years. It's the easiest way to start seeing your savings grow without feeling the pinch. Next, let's turbocharge your savings with a no-spend minute challenge. This isn't about deprivation. It's about being intentional. Pick a short period, like just one weekend, and commit to not spending any money on non-essentials. Imagine all the little things you usually buy without thinking. That extra coffee, a snack, or even a streaming rental. For one weekend, skip them. Pack a lunch, find free entertainment, or just enjoy simple relaxation at home. Alternatively, you could pick just one category to cut for a week, like eating out instead of your usual takeout. Whip up something delicious at home. This small, focused effort really adds up fast. Just one no-spend weekend or a week of skipping takeout can easily add an extra $10 to $20 to your savings. It's a powerful way to see instant results and prove to yourself how much control you have over your money. Now here's the magic. Imagine you automate that $5 savings on your next payday. That's a tiny win, right? Then you rock a no-spend weekend and save an extra $15 you would have spent on takeout or entertainment. Already, you've got $20 saved without feeling like you gave up much. This isn't about massive sacrifices. It's about building momentum with small, repeatable actions. When you consistently see these little amounts add up, something powerful happens in your brain. You start to believe you can actually do this. Do this again. Another $5 on your next payday. Another $15 from skipping those impulse buys for a week. Suddenly, you've got $40. Each little success boosts your confidence, turning what felt like a chore into an achievable game. The secret isn't finding a huge lump sum, it's the consistency of tiny wins that builds big habits. Before you know it, these small actions compound, and your first $100 will be within reach. Now, let's make your progress visible. Imagine a simple drawing, maybe a jar or a progress bar, representing your $100 goal. As you save, you'll color in or fill up a little bit of that tracker. Seeing that line creep up, even by just a few dollars, is incredibly powerful. It transforms an abstract goal into something tangible you're actively building. Each time you add to your savings, you get to update your tracker. This visual feedback isn't just fun. It's a huge motivator. It reinforces the habit and shows you, concretely, that your small actions are indeed adding up. You're not just saving, you're winning little by little. Don't underestimate the boost you'll get from seeing that jar fill up. It makes the journey feel achievable and celebrates every tiny triumph on your way to that first $100. It's proof your new habits are working. So, how do you hit that first $100? It's simple. Automate small savings and supercharge them with no-spend minute challenges. Think of your savings buddy putting aside a little bit regularly. Then you can get a boost. It's not about grand gestures or deprivation. It's about small, consistent actions that add up, making saving feel easy and achievable. You're building a habit, one tiny win at a time. Your challenge now: try transferring just $5 to your savings account on your next payday. That's it. See how easy it feels to start, building momentum towards your first $100. You've got this, and that first $100 is just the beginning of your smart money journey. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more simple money wisdom.